Priority, priority, priority.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold, and that song is Priority. Alkaline just dropped something, but before we get to that, let me get into this. Priority is a female tune. I don't understand why some men are fighting this tune. Like, are you jealous? Are you upset that Alkaline singing to your lady? I have no idea why a bunch of men care about a female song that's for us females. Priority is a song. For those who don't know the word, it means the person's important, making the person someone who comes first in their life. And that's what a lot of men should be doing right now, making their woman.
Priority, priority, priority. Girl, you my priority.
Now, despite what the haters said, Alkaline was able to make his song chart on the American iTunes. It hit #1, surpassing Bob Marley. And it is a big deal because a lot of artists cannot pass Bob Marley. A lot of artists have done it on the Jamaica Reggae Charts, but not the American Reggae Charts. And we are proud of you, Alkaline. Big up yourself. The song is amazing. Ladies, download it, buy it. Fellas, buy it for your women. Top of top, man, you already know the runnings. Man, I even have to say to you, this is the song that you know way of need for do, Those who are just nerdy and don't know how to get a gyal, them gonna be confused. And those are the ones that are criticizing the song right now. Anyhow, despite that, Alkaline looks like he has a new song he's about to drop, and we're here for it. It looks like the song's gonna be called Key. Now, what do you think this could be? I don't like to guess. It's a waste of time to guess. But what do you think? Last time we heard Alkaline use the keyword was for the keys for the city. This will be interesting. Anyhow, let's take a look at the video that Alkaline has dropped today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bless.
Yeah. Raise on.